Identity is a mask, one I've worn in places you are taught to fear. To the world, the dark web is a myth. To me, it was just a workplace. Your digital sanctuary is officially dead. Right now, as you watch this, there is an auction happening. It isn't on eBay and it isn't on Amazon. It's running on a hidden server through an encrypted network built to make its operators invisible to every law enforcement agency on the planet. And what exactly are they selling? A full identity package. Everything our criminal needs to become you. Your social security number, your date of birth, your credit score, and your bank logins. The starting bid, $4.12. That is the average market price of a stolen American identity in 2025. Not 400, not 4,000, $4. The price of a coffee. I'm not here to entertain you. I'm here to give you a forensic mindset before the AI agents find your weak spots. I've seen how big this threat is, and I'm the only one who will tell you how cheap you really are to them. Most people prefer to look away. I don't. Before we finish today, I'll show you exactly how to find out if your name is already on that auction list. For free, you need to know exactly where you stand before we go any deeper. To understand the dark web, you have to understand it wasn't built by criminals. It was built by the United States Navy. In the mid-1990s, the US Naval Research Laboratory created something called onion routing. It was a way to hide internet traffic in layers, like an onion, bouncing it between volunteer nodes, so no one could see where a message started or where it was going. The goal was good, to let spies and journalists in dangerous countries talk without being caught or killed. In 2002, they gave this tech to the public as the Tor browser. For years, it did its job. Whistleblowers like Edward Snowden recommended it. But here's the part they don't tell you. The dark web isn't evil by itself. It's just privacy tech that criminals moved into. Because the same walls that protect a reporter in Iran also protect a hacker in Russia. Everything changed in 2011 with the Silk Road. It was basically eBay for illegal stuff. It handled over $1 billion before the FBI shut it down. But you can't kill an idea. Within weeks, new markets appeared. By 2026, this underground economy is worth $3.2 billion a year. It has customer reviews and money-back guarantees. It's a professional business, and the main product is you. Let's look at the price list, because nothing makes a threat feel real like a number. In 2026, this market runs with cold, machine-like efficiency. At the bottom, basic logins. A stolen Netflix or Spotify account, 50 cents to $2. Your email and password, about $1.50. But your full American identity, your SSN and credit score, averages $4.12. These are sold in huge batches to criminals who use AI to take over accounts automatically. Higher up, we have corporate access. Verified VPN logins for a big company can cost between $1,000 and $3,000. Criminals buy these to launch attacks that cost companies millions. That hospital attack you saw on the news, it probably started with a $10 piece of malware on an employee's home laptop. The most expensive stuff. Zero-day exploits. These are secret holes in software that have no fix yet. One of these for a big company can sell for $150,000. And the fastest growing product, deepfake kits. For $20, anyone can buy AI tools that clone your voice and face. Knowing what you're worth to them is just the start. Now, I'm going to show you the machine behind it. I'll show you how one simple stolen password, maybe yours, can take down a whole company. It's not magic, it's just a business, and you need to see how it works. Law enforcement is fighting back. They've taken down huge networks recently. But there's a big problem. In 2025, the average dark web market lasted only 240 days before closing or being caught. That sounds good, but it's actually bad. It means the criminals have become faster and harder to find. When one market dies, the sellers move to Telegram or private forums in days. They move to apps used by billions of people. The dark web didn't shrink, it just moved into plain sight. And then there's AI. AI-powered phishing has grown by 70%. It makes attacks scalable. One person can now run thousands of attacks at the same time, each one personalized with your stolen data. The limit on how much crime they can commit has basically disappeared. These criminals bank on you being lazy. They win when you do nothing. I'm going to give you the exact steps to break their system and build a wall they can't get over. This isn't just advice, it's how you stop being an easy target. People talk like you're a helpless victim. You aren't. Here is your playbook. Step 1. Know your exposure. Go to haveitbeenpunished.com. It has over 15 billion stolen logins. If your email is there, your password is public property. Change it now. Step 2. Freeze your credit. In the US, you can freeze your credit with Equifax, Experian and TransUnion. This stops anyone from opening a bank account or credit card in your name. It is the single best thing you can do for your safety. Step 3. Use a password manager. Criminals buy your leaked password for $1.50 and try it on your bank. A manager creates unique 20-character passwords for every site. If one site gets hacked, the others are safe. Step 4. MFA done correctly. Text message codes are old news. They can be stolen. Use an app or a physical YubiKey. A physical key cannot be hacked over the internet. Step 5. Dark web monitoring. Services from Google and Apple will tell you the moment your info appears in a new leak. Treat these alerts like a smoke alarm. We've come a long way in 4 lessons. From voices being cloned in seconds, to your whole identity being sold for the price of a cup of coffee. The underground economy works best when you stay in the dark, but an informed person who has frozen their credit and uses a hardware key isn't a good target. To them, you're just a waste of compute. That is my final message for today. Know what you're worth to them. Then make yourself too expensive to attack. Your homework. Check. Have it been put? Freeze your credit today. Get a password manager. In lesson 5, we enter the AI arms race, where machines hunt for your mistakes in milliseconds. I am your guide. Stay skeptical, stay secure.